How to clear Safari history on your iPhone. So, if you want to clear the Safari history on your iPhone, you have to follow this simple step. So, very first step is that launch the setting app on your mobile. Once you have launched the setting app, scroll down and go for your app option. Here on your app option, you have to look for the Safari. So, go and tap on the Safari option. So, here you will have to find the clear history and website data. So here you will find the clear history and website data and you have to tap on it. After that, here a pop-up menu will appear asking you to confirm that you want to clear your history or not. So here you can just go and clear the time frame. Just go for the clear history. So from this step, you can also clear the Safari history on your iPhone. Another step is that go for your Safari browser and here you will find this icon. Just tap on that and here you will find your history. Just tap on the clear option and just go for the clear history. So that's it. I hope that this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.